Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Wave Watch with your host, Sleepy Bull. I just wanted to get on here and give a quick overview of Ethereum and the current price action. I also wanted to thank you guys who are subscribing and supporting this channel. If you guys can give a quick like and subscribe to the videos, I would greatly appreciate that. I'm just trying to give you guys a macroscopic above the clouds view of the market. If you guys appreciate that, I greatly appreciate a subscribe. Thank you so much. And we'll begin with the 2-week chart of Ethereum and a few words on why I am still a bear despite the bullish trend. The trend is bullish, and that's something that's undeniable. But there's a few headwinds that have me concerned. Number one is, we're about to do a crossover on this RSI. Usually I like to look at RSI 2 weeks for long-term momentum, and just like we had a crossover here, even though this was a low followed by an extreme pump, it signaled that the end was near. I don't know if that's going to happen here. It could, but that's just an observation. And then another crossover here signaled the actual top. Same here, and I think we're going to repeat it here again. So that's one. My favorite indicator is the EMA spreads, which has not been wrong as of yet, and every instance of the EMA spread has marked the end in some way, shape, or form. So we are near a top. That has not been the top already. And also, I would get on. I have made a video on the count of the general stock market, and it appears to be heavily overbought. And I've said it before, and I've said it in the video with the stock market, that stocks appear to be in a B wave environment or correction, meaning that on B waves you only have the large caps or very few sectors of the market rallying, while the general market does not rally at all. And that's what we've been seeing. I've gone over the Russell 2000 count, if I haven't, I'll publish it. And I've gone over the S&P 500 count, which is showing B wave environment behavior. Very impulsive in this environment. Well, let's begin with Ethereum. This is Ether. Full wave count. We have a 1, 2, followed by a 3, 4, 5. As always, we look for alternation in 1 and 4, which is my smoking gun for final wave 5. And just like, and this is my bear count, and just like we had here in the Bitcoin chart, a 5-wave count, we do expect a 3-wave move in the opposite direction. Now, by 3-wave, I mean, you know what? I would want to hide these, but I don't want to hide it I don't want to complicate the chart for you all here, but this is another reason why I'm bearish. If this is the long-term trend, we have broken it, and we have not reclaimed it. That's another reason, and we've even backtested it to a certain degree. So that's another reason for bearishness on my behalf. But back to the count. This here marked the top of wave 5. Leave that there. And then we have a WXY. This could, I think this could count as a WXY. The reason I don't count it is just because of alternation here. This makes it a better candidate for alternation, so I won't count that. There is an alternate count where you can make that a WXY correction, but I won't in this case. And there's reasons why not. I'll get into that later. But this is the WXY correction down, followed by a WXY correction up, and a 3 move down, 3 move up. And we do expect, and I've gone over this in the prior video, we do expect a 5 wave move down for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eventually hitting here or here. Point number 1 of this corrective move, you'll note that we have had a basic Elliott 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure followed by a 3, 3, 5 pattern down, or 3, 3, 3 pattern down. It's usually a ABC correction, but you could also have a WXY, which is in 3, 3, 5 or 3, 3, 3. That's just the basic overview of Elliott wave structures here. Excuse me. I'm trying to grab this screen appropriately here. Now, the last wave that we had here, this 3 wave, this WXY, we noticed that we have hit the max extension possible, the 1618 or 4174. In actuality, we hit 4023 on Ethereum, but we literally just grazed it or missed it by a little bit and have begun to retrace. We take the candle closes, you'll see that we have roughly hit it. Let me just do the candle close here a little bit. There we go. Oh, this goes a little bit higher. It goes to the 2. Let's do this wick here and the closest wick here and this wick here. There we go. This wick here. There we go. That's where we hit it. I usually like to account for the candle closes. Sometimes the wick will suffice. If you count the wicks, you expect some extreme wicking behavior on the ends of the charts. If you account for the closes, like I said before, you know, cryptos and commodities usually overshoot. So sometimes we'll go to the 1786, even to the 2618. And you know, even Elliott noted in corrections, sometimes you can have C waves go to the 2618. In this event, this would have been an A, B, or WXY. It could even go on this Y wave or C wave. It could even go as high as that. But that's not happening here. What we're seeing here, if we're taking the wick, is that we're seeing that it hits the 1618 and then it immediately retraces. So that's a signal for a WXY correction pattern up. And now what has to happen in order for this bear comp to remain valid is for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern to manifest and continue. And as you can see here on the daily chart, we have had a wave 1 and a wave 2 triangle wave. Now wave 3 has to follow through. There we go. And wave 3 will take us to 2565. If we do not get a wave 3 down to 2565 soon, because we can see that this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. We do not see a 2565 soon. That means that this is likely not impulsive, but instead corrective in nature. Let's see here. There you go. There you go. So we should see 2565 or 2558 soon, but if that does not happen, that means that we're going to have a corrective wave, and this likely won't be a 5-wave down, but rather a 3-3-3 wave down. So we're just waiting for that to happen and to manifest. So that is Ethereum in a nutshell. Let me know what you guys think. Like the video if you like this analysis, unbiased. Oh, also to note on the 2-week, very important. Was it 2-week? It was 2 month. Very important. Look at this candle here, guys. Look at this candle. Hammer. Not a good candle. Yes, we did get a MACD bullish cross on the monthly. If the monthly closes green, it'll confirm it, and it'll be a very good thing. But as of now, this does not look good. So let's wait and see what happens. If we confirm the WXY correction down, then it's a bear count. If the WXY correction or impulsive downwave correction does a U-turn and breaks this, let me just show you all here. If the count breaks wave 2, not intermediate wave 2, but minor wave 2, which is right now at 33.48, odds are it's an impulsive move and the bullish count is valid. That's my 2 cents. And I'm confident that this is the bear count. That's going to be correct just because of the way total 2 is. Also, just a quick synopsis on total 2. Total 2 also has had its 5-wave count, followed by A, B, and we're looking for a C down. That's another story. Hope you guys liked the video. Sleepy Bull out.